Good evening guys, welcome back to Financial Independence channel. So in this video, let's look at the breakout stocks, the stocks which are closed up with the good volumes and which are ready for breakout. So every week we post this as 100% breakout stocks, and these can be focused on for the next 1 week or the next coming sessions. So this video or this breakout stocks, if you see in the past also, this has given at least minimum 10 to 15 percentage or above, and these are high conviction stocks which can give excellent move on the upsides. So let's get into the video. Let's look at the first stock. The first one is India Cements. So if you see India Cements has been in that rising channel since January 2021 for the last 10 months in this channel, and currently it has given a breakout on the upside. So sustaining above this channel, it has all the potential to expand, or the next expansion could happen on the upside. So sustaining above 215 levels, it can go to 226, 234, 250 levels in the coming days. So cement sector is in a boom now. As you know, these are all one of the sectors which are benefiting through the China strategy or China plus one theme, and the other sectors like petrochemicals, like chemicals, pharmaceuticals, many sectors are getting benefited through that. So one of the thing is like Siemens is also getting benefited on this. So please keep this in radar. So the next one is Havels. So Havels, you can see it has made a bullish pennant pattern, and it has almost closed above the previous high of 1479. So sustaining above 1483, it can move to close to 1575 levels in the coming days. So keep this in radar. So the next one will be Grasim Industries. So Grasim Industries, as you've seen, this has been in the rising channel since the month of April 2021, and it is continuously making a higher high on the upside. Currently, it has broken this channel and it has started to sustain above that. So any retest on the rising channel, it 1710 on this or 1715.10 on this, it could be it could be taken on the long side, which could stretch its expansion towards 1800, 1900 levels in the coming days. So Grasim Industries, please keep this in radar. So the next one will be Wipro. So Wipro, as you can see, it has given an excellent results, and on Friday it has given a huge gap up, which closed above 700 levels, the recent high of 700. So I am expecting this should make a retest on these levels, and if you get around 684 to 700 levels, please pick on this. This is having a good potential to move towards 700, 720, and 750 levels in the coming days. So the next one will be Infosys. So Infosys also has given a good results. You can see the last time it has, like opened on the upside. It made a open high. It opened at 1753 and closed at 1715. But if you see, it has made a bullish pattern or bullish flag. So sustaining above 1759, sustaining above 1759. Please keep this in radar. This would go at least towards 1800, 1900 levels in the coming weeks. So the next one will be Dr. Reddy. So Dr. Reddy, you can see it made a recent uh, low of 4440 levels. Yes, 4440 levels, and currently at 4,958 levels. So sustaining above 4,950 levels this week, you please keep this in radar. This could go towards 5,000, 5,075 and 5,100, 200 levels in the coming sessions. So the next one will be Tata Consumer. So Tata Consumer made a recent low of 795 and currently it is at 849. So sustaining above 850 levels, it can give a quick move towards 868 and 887, which is the recent highs. And it can sustaining above that, it could go towards 900, 920, 30 levels in the coming weeks. Please keep this in radar. So the next one will be Adani Ports. So Adani Ports made a recent low of 650, 639, and currently it is in a consolidation. It has also made a triangle pattern and breakout. So sustaining above 800, 801, it can go towards 846, 903, and 973 in the 975 in the coming weeks. So please keep this in radar. So the next one will be Jindal Steel. So Jindal Steel, you can see it has also made a symmetrical triangle pattern and has given a breakout. So sustaining above 441, currently it is at 446, sustaining above 441. I am expecting this should blast towards 467, 500 levels and 540 levels in the coming weeks. So please keep this in radar for the coming week. So the next one will be TVS Motor. So TVS Motor, it made a recent low at 495 and currently at 583 levels. So sustaining above 600 levels, it could blast towards 630, 665 levels in the coming weeks. So the next one will be Bharat Forge. So Bharat Forge, currently it is at 801. So sustaining above 796, this should, like this week, if it sustains above 796, 800 levels, it could go towards 817, 845 and 880 levels in the coming weeks. So please keep this in radar. Federal Bank. So Federal Bank, you can see it has given a triangle pattern breakout and currently it is at 93. So sustaining or retest at 90 levels, this could expand towards 95, 98 and 103 levels in the coming weeks. So keep this in radar. The next one will be ITC. So ITC, you can see it has given a breakout. It has also done a symmetrical triangle pattern breakout. It has also made a like a bullish pennant, and currently it is at 256. So sustaining above 256, the next targets will be 270, 280, 300 and 320 levels. I am expecting in the coming weeks. The last I am expecting at least 320 levels on the upside. So please keep this in radar. So this for especially for ITC is minimum for 2 to 3 months target, but currently it is in a momentum and I am expecting this momentum should continue towards at least for the next weeks, which should trigger its move towards 280 and 300 levels. So please keep this in radar. Next one is HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank, it has given a very good results and you can see it has given a breakout above the recent high of 1647 levels. So the retest or sustaining above these 1644 levels, it could move towards 1700, 1744 and 1800 and above that in the next, I mean like 3 to 6 weeks time frame. So the next one will be Canara Bank. So Canara Bank, if you see, we had picked out this stock around 155 levels when it has given a breakout on the triangle pattern, and currently it is at 193 levels. I am expecting this should extend towards 225 and 250 levels in the coming weeks. This momentum should continue at least till 220 and 250 levels in the coming weeks. This is for Canara Bank, and Canara Bank, it should be at least minimum to 4 to 8 weeks time frame. But again, this could again be, I mean like disclaimer, I may be wrong. But these are all the expected targets on the upside. So the next one will be Avenue Supermarkets or DMart. DMart has given an excellent results on the weekend, and it has been continuously growing on the upside. So this is the rising channel it is been on, and any retest towards 5000 or 4800 levels, 5000 levels, it could extend towards 5600, 6000, 6500 levels in the coming weeks. So please keep this in also radar. So the next one will be Godrej Properties. I think I had given a target also for Godrej Properties in Mumbai. This real estate market has given a very good bookings happened in the last 1 month, and Godrej Properties is continue to sustain or have a good bookings on the real estate market. So sustaining above 2500 levels, it could go towards 2600, 2700 levels in the next next 2 to 3 months time frame. So the next one will be Titan. So Titan, after being sustaining in this in this in this price action for a period of January to June, it has given a breakout, and continuously it has been in a rising channel, and it has again given a breakout on that, and continuously it is on the upside due to the recent bookings on the buys on the jewelry part, and it's watches. And currently, as per the sources, now due to the festive season, there has been a shortage. There has been a shortage on the luxury watches, and Titan is having a very good sales on the both jewelry and costly luxury watches. So that is exactly reflecting on the share prices also. I am expecting this should continue till at least till December, Jan, and at least till Jan first week, and this should go towards 2700 to 3000 levels in the coming weeks. So Titan has all the potential to grab this momentum and move towards 3000 levels in the coming weeks. So the next one will be Beta India. So Beta India is also giving a higher highs on the upside, and currently it is at 2118 levels, and it has been continuously moving. So sustaining above these levels, it should go towards 2200 levels in the coming weeks. The next one is Dixon. So Dixon, you can see it is in a continuous rally. It has broken this channel, and it is sustaining above this channel. So any dip towards, for the long term investors, any dip towards 5100 levels, it has been a good point or good, a good price to accumulate. For the momentum traders, I am expecting this should blast towards 5,720 and 6,000 levels in the coming days, because I could see an accumulation or a contraction pattern, or at least a flag pattern flag pattern in the 1 hour pattern. So sustaining above 5,600 levels, it could blast towards 5,720 and 5,800 levels in the coming days. But if it could not sustain and break towards 5,140 levels, it would be also a good opportunity to grab it for the long-term investors. So today we had number of like a number of stocks and scripts, because there are a huge number of bullish stocks for this week, and the next one will be Mahindra and Mahindra. So India Mart, which had given on the last week, it has given a very good break, and that is also in radar for this week also. I am expecting this should continue, because you can see it is made a rounded bottom. You can see multiple channels in this. It is also having a triangle pattern breakout. It is also having like a rounded bottom breakout. So sustaining above 9,900 levels, like the previous high of 9,900 levels, it could go towards 10,000 and 11,000 levels in the coming days. I can also see a flag pattern on this. So I'm expecting a huge upside for India Mart. It is also having a triangle pattern here, a large rounded bottom. So it is having a very bullish pattern. India Mart is having a very bullish pattern. It could sustain and go towards 10,000, 11,000 levels in the coming days. The next one is Mahindra and Mahindra. So Mahindra and Mahindra, we picked around 800 levels. Currently, it has broken the recent high, and it has made a retest also. I'm sustaining above these 930 levels. It could go towards 960, 1,100 levels. So the recent bookings in the XUV 700 has given a very good trigger on the script, and the script is moving towards, like an excellent breakout on the upside. The companies also had posted a very good trailing 12 months sales and profit, and this should reflect in the coming quarters also. So keep this in radar. So the next stock will be Indian Hotels. So Indian Hotels, we picked around the exact levels of 128 and 154 levels when it gave a breakout, and currently it is at 230 levels. If I have to say frankly, you cannot get even a single booking in any of the resorts for the next 2 to 3 months. So that is the level of bookings happening in the hospitality sector, and that we can see in the each and every hospitality sector stocks. Indian hotel is like sustaining above 230 levels, or if it gets a retest towards 200 levels, it would be a very good opportunity to grab at these levels, which in long term to which in long term can move towards 250 and 300 levels in the coming days. So the next one will be Tata Power. So if we see Tata company, I should make a separate video for that, but especially for the Tata products, especially on the Tata Motors product, it has made an excellent environment where it can accumulate. Where you can equip every product on the Tata Motors. If you see the battery, Tata Chemicals for the the mapping, remapping, and ECU and everything for that, Tata LC, and for Tata Steel for building up the body of the uh, vehicle, and Tata Power to fix up all the power and charging points for that. So it has made an excellent environment for that, and that is showing in each and every stock of the Tata. Tata Motors or Tata. So sustaining above 222 currently does give an excellent breakout due to the energy crisis happening, and so we can see this should continue. The Tata Power should continue at least towards 240, 250, and 300 levels in the coming sessions. Please keep this in radar. So long-term investors, please keep this in radar. If there is any dip towards 185 or 200 levels, it will be an excellent opportunity to grab on the even in the current levels. So that's all guys, that's all for today. We had a number of stocks today, so please keep this in radar. I think many people are already in cash and towards these stocks, so this would be an excellent opportunity to get an insight on the, I mean, like this video would give an excellent insight on the current holdings which you are having, or the momentum traders can use this momentum, like this video, to grab in this momentum, especially on the FNO stocks. So hope this information is helpful, and if it is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe guys. Thanks and bye. Have a great weekend. Bye.